Are you traveling in a group of 15 or more? Follow this step-by-step guide to order hot and hygienic meals in advance from IRCTC eCatering for your group. Visit IRCTC eCatering's official website www.ecatering.irctc.co.in or download the official app Food on Track. Click the group booking button on the home page. Share the required details and click on the Submit tab. Our customer executive contacts you to discuss the available options and order customization. Once the order is finalized, the next step is to make advance payment. As soon as the payment confirmation is received, the restaurant starts preparing the order for on-time delivery. Once the order is ready, our delivery executive delivers it on your train at your chosen station. Always remember to place your group orders at least 24 hours in advance, as larger group orders require longer processing time. Keep your valid PNR handy when filling the details, as it's a prerequisite for placing group orders on IRCTC eCatering. IRCTC eCatering always gives a GST invoice, so do ask for it. Now that you know how to place group orders on IRCTC eCatering, it's time to make your group journeys hassle-free. What are you waiting for? Visit www.ecatering.irctc.co.in now for more on group booking orders.